In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple script into a finished voiceover video using VidNarrate. By the end, you'll know how to generate natural sounding narration, pair it with visuals, and export a polished video without recording your own voice or editing complicated timelines. This workflow is especially useful for creators, educators, marketers, and business owners who want professional video content without expensive production. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Let's get into it. What VidNarrate does. VidNarrate is an AI voiceover and video creation platform that converts written scripts into fully narrated videos. Instead of recording audio, hiring voice talent, or learning complex editing software, you paste your script, choose a voice, add visuals, and the platform generates a finished video. The system combines text-to-speech narration, scene creation, background visuals, captions, and timing into one workflow. This allows you to move from script to finished video quickly while maintaining consistent audio quality and professional pacing. When to use voiceover videos. Voiceover videos work best when your message is more important than showing your face on camera. Tutorials, explainer videos, product walkthroughs, and educational content benefit from clear narration paired with visuals that guide the viewer's attention. This format is also ideal when you need to produce content consistently. Recording voiceovers manually can slow production, especially if you need multiple revisions. AI narration allows you to update scripts quickly and regenerate audio without re-recording. For businesses, voiceover videos are effective for onboarding tutorials, product education, customer support guides, and training content where clarity and consistency matter more than personality-driven delivery. First, click the link below to open VidNarrate. Once you land on the dashboard, this is where all of your video projects live. At the top of the page, click Generate to begin. This opens the workspace where you can turn an idea or a script into a finished voiceover video. Next, click Create New Video. This opens the setup panel where you define how your video will be created, including delivery method, topic, voice, and music. Think of this as the control center for your video. You'll now see options for how you want to receive your finished video. VidNarrate can email the file to you, or you can publish it directly to YouTube. While email delivery works if you want to download and review the file first, uploading directly to YouTube is usually the smarter option. Publishing straight to your channel removes those extra steps like downloading, re-uploading, renaming files, and setting visibility manually. If you're creating content regularly, this saves a surprising amount of time and keeps your workflow simple. Instead of managing files, you move straight from creation to publishing. So if your goal is speed, consistency, and fewer manual steps, select Upload to YouTube. Next, you'll choose a topic category. So this tells VidNarrate what type of content you want to create and helps the AI shape the script, the pacing, and visuals around that theme. You might see options like health and wellness tips, thrilling story, historical events, along with categories for tech, personal growth, parenting, travel, and more. Each category is designed to match a specific content style and audience expectation. For example, if you select health and wellness tips, the AI might generate a video like 3 morning habits that boost energy, complete with practical advice and calm, supportive narration. Selecting historical events may result in an educational narrative highlighting key moments, timelines, and facts presented in an easy-to-follow format. You can also use categories like tech and gadget tips for product explainers, personal growth for motivational content, or food and cooking tips for short recipe-style videos. The goal is to match the category to the type of audience experience you want to create. Once you select a topic, the AI automatically generates the script, builds the scene structure, and pairs visual to match the tone. Instead of starting from scratch, you're given a ready-to-narrate video that feels organized, engaging, and tailored to the content style that you chose. If you prefer more control over content, you can switch the topic dropdown to custom prompt. This allows you to paste your own script or describe exactly what you want the video to cover. In the describe video field, type a short description of the video you want created. For example, you might summarize the key points points, outline the message, or explain the purpose of the video, then VidNarrate will use your description to build a structured script and visuals around your instructions. This is especially useful if you already have a script, want to match a specific message, or need the video to align with your brand voice or marketing goal. After you click create, VidNarrate begins generating your video automatically. This usually happens very quickly. The platform takes your selected topic or custom script, builds the narration, pairs it with visuals, and structures everything into a short form video format. Instead of editing clips manually, the system assembles a complete video for you in seconds. On the right side, you can edit the title, caption, and script before publishing. This is where you refine the messaging so the video feels intentional rather than automated. You might adjust the title to make it more compelling or clearer in search results. A small tweak can improve click-through rate, especially on YouTube Shorts where viewers decide quickly. The caption can be refined to fit the platform that you're publishing to. For example, you may want a concise caption with hashtag for Shorts or a slightly more descriptive version for other social platforms. You can also modify the script if you want the narration to sound more natural, emphasize key points, or better match your brand voice. Even small edits like simplifying wording or adding a stronger opening line can improve engagement. These quick adjustments personalize the content while keeping the speed advantages of automation. Below the editor, you'll find publishing and scheduling options. From here, you can publish directly to YouTube and choose when the video goes live. You can set the next post date and time along with the posting frequency, which allows you to plan content in advance instead of uploading manually each day. This is helpful if you batch create videos and want them released consistently over time. Scheduling supports a steady publishing rhythm, which is important for channel growth and audience retention. Instead of scrambling to post daily, you can prepare multiple videos at once and let the system handle the timing. Once everything looks right, select your schedule and publish. VidNarrate handles the delivery so your content goes live exactly when you want it to. At this point, VidNarrate has handled scripting, narration, visuals, and formatting. Your role is simply to review the video, make any adjustments, and confirm everything looks right. Once you're satisfied, press publish to send the video live. This entire workflow demonstrates how quickly you can turn an idea or script into a finished voiceover video ready for distribution. Now let's go ahead and see what the different plans look like. Before choosing a plan, it helps to understand how VidNarrate structures its tiers. Each option is designed around how frequently you want to publish and how much automation you need. The starter plan is designed for light content creation and costs about $19 a month. It allows up to 3 YouTube uploads per week and generates 3 social media videos weekly. You'll still get essential features like background music and video captions, which helps your content feel polished. However, advanced automation features such as automatic voice narration, custom prompts, daily news headlines, and automatic posting are not included. This plan works best if you're still experimenting with content, posting occasionally, or testing whether short-form videos fit your strategy. The daily plan is priced at $39 per month. It increases output to 7 YouTube uploads per week and 7 social media videos weekly. This includes everything in Starter, plus automation tools that save time, including automation voice narration, custom prompts, daily news headline integration, and the ability to post daily. These features allow you to maintain consistent publishing without manually creating every video. This is the best option for creators who want steady growth, consistent uploads, and a streamlined workflow without spending hours on editing. The twice daily plan is $69 per month and is built for high volume publishing. It supports 14 YouTube uploads per week and 14 social media videos weekly. So this plan enables posting twice per day and includes cinema mode, which enhances the visual presentation for a more polished and professional look. If you're just testing or posting occasionally, Starter is enough. If your goal is consistent growth with minimal manual work, daily is the most practical choice. If you're scaling content output or managing multiple channels, twice daily provides the highest efficiency and production capacity. When to use Use VidNarrate. This workflow is ideal when you need to produce video content quickly without sacrificing clarity or professionalism. Instead of spending hours recording voiceovers, editing timelines, and syncing audio, you can convert a script into a finished video in minutes. It's also helpful when you need to update content frequently. If a script changes, you can regenerate narration instantly instead of re-recording audio. This flexibility makes VidNarrate a strong fit for creators who want to stay consistent without slowing down their production schedule. Who this is best for? VidNarrate is a strong fit for creators, educators, marketers, and business owners who want professional videos without the complexity of traditional editing. If you run a faceless YouTube channel, create training materials, or produce short-form educational content, this workflow allows you to maintain quality while scaling output. Agencies and social media managers can use it to generate client content efficiently. Entrepreneurs and small businesses can create product explainers, onboarding videos, and customer education content without hiring voice talent or learning editing software. Even solo creators benefit because the platform removes technical barriers while preserving professional audio and pacing. Common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is relying entirely on the generated script without reviewing it. While VidNarrate creates structured content quickly, refining wording and tone ensures that the final video feels natural and aligned with your message. Another mistake is choosing visuals that don't match your audience. Even though automation speeds up production, clarity and relevance still determine whether viewers stay engaged. Take a moment to confirm the topic, title, and message fit the audience you want to reach. Finally, avoid skipping scheduling and consistency. Publishing regularly has a greater impact than posting sporadically. Using these scheduling tools helps maintain a steady flow of content without daily manual effort. And that's how you can turn a simple script into a finished voiceover video using VidNarrate. Instead of juggling recording equipment, editing software, and voiceover revisions, you're working from a streamlined workflow that transforms your ideas into publish-ready content in minutes. If you want to try this yourself, click the link below to open VidNarrate and follow the same steps that we covered today. Once you get comfortable with the process, you'll be able to produce consistent, professional videos without slowing down your workflow. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.